Welcome to the another video of Super Finding. Top 12 deadliest snakes on earth. Think about it, there are 3000 snake species around the globe. Of those 3000, only some 400 are especially venomous, and an even smaller portion of those 400 are increasingly deadly to humans. We have compiled such a list to know how which are the 12 deadliest snakes on earth. Number 1. King Cobra. Throughout Asia and the jungles of India, you will find the king cobra, the longest, most venomous snake in the world. It is growing upwards of 18.8 feet. King cobra are not usually deadly to humans as they tend to hunt lizards, rodents, and other snakes. However, this critter has enough neurotoxin in its venom to actually paralyze and kill an elephant in just a few hours. And if it's bite a human, the survival rate is about 40%. Number 2. Saw-scaled viper. Typically located in China, India and Asia. These vipers are nocturnal and lightning quick. Moreover, if you do get bit by one, you will feel it immediately. Furthermore, the bite will swell and you will begin to bleed from your mouth as your blood pressure plummets and your heart rate slows. Sounds like absolutely torture. Well, it isn't. To make matter worse, without treatment, you could pass away within just a day, or you could suffer from absolutely agony for upwards of 2 weeks. Number 3. Black Mamba. Countless deaths are attributed to the black mamba all over Africa. On top of that, it's known for its awesome striking ability and density for its toxicity. Moreover, we should mention that they can strike up to 12 times in succession, and furthermore, every single bite delivers captious amounts of deadly neurotoxins. How could it possibly get worse? They can also pump enough venom into its victim in just a single bite to kill you 25 times over. If at all left untreated, a black mamba bite is nearly 100% deadly. That can happen in as little as 15 minutes. Number 4. Boomslang. Boomslang is responsible for many deaths all around the globe, but primarily in South Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. Not only are they quick, but boomslangs can also climb trees and are filled with venomous toxins. And when they bite, they can creepily open their jaws up to 170 degrees. It is important to note that you won't feel the effect of a bite right away. A few hours may pass when the symptoms arise. However, the biggest mistakes you can make is underestimating the boomslang's life-threatening bite. Get help and anti-venom as soon as possible. Number 5. Black tiger snakes. Black tiger snakes possesses a lethal dosage of venom, especially considering one can die from a bite within just half of an hour. Although fatalities commonly occurs between 6 to 24 hours. The symptoms of a bite include numbness, sweating, and tingling. While most tiger snakes are scared of humans if provoked, they will turn aggressive and strike. Number 6. Inland taipan. In terms of deadliest venom that snakes can even possess, the inland taipan comes out on top every time. With a mixture of taipoxin and neurotoxin, a bite can lead to blood hemorrhage, limited breathing, paralyzing, and intense muscle damage. It is located mainly in inland Australia. The inland taipan is often shy, reclusive, and will almost always flee instead of attacking. However, if it should choose to attack, that can occur within just 30 to 45 minutes unless you are treated almost immediately. Number 7. Eastern brown snake. Especially lethal venom is merely an understatement. Just a fraction of a bite from an eastern brown snake can kill any adult human. After all, it is the second most venomous land snake in the world. It is native to Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Indonesia. Brown snakes are highly aggressive and account for around 60% of snakes bite deaths in Australia. Number 8. Common lace head is usually found in the tropical lowland of northern South America. As a species of pit viper, it's easily agitated and is generally nocturnal. However, it can hunt throughout the day as well as climb trees and swim. Needless to say, their venom is terribly lethal and fast acting. Even with treatment, almost all bites lead to temporary or sometimes permanent memory loss. Number 9. Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake. National Geographic referred to this snake as the largest venomous snakes in North America. Some reach 8 feet in length and weigh up to 10 pounds. Unless threatened, the eastern diamondback rattlesnake will not attack humans. Additionally, their bites are caused when someone taunts or attempts to capture the snake. But they do give up one final warning before they strike. It violently shakes its tail. Yeah, that tail isn't just for show. Number 10. Western Diamondback Rattlesnake. Up next is the Western Diamondback Rattlesnake, which is typically found in the southwestern area of the United States. It is responsible for the majority of snake bite fatalities in northern Mexico and also the largest number of snake bites all over the United States. Number 11. Philippine Cobra. We have reached the most venomous and deadliest cobra species out there, which can spit its venom up to 10 feet in distance. Yeah, our jaws are also on the floor here. In regards to the venom produced by the Philippine cobra, it will immediately alter your nerves, which then affect cardiac and respiratory systems within a few minutes. Number 12. Puff Adder. Puff Adder, although call it what you want, this snake is terrifying. Not only it is terrifying, but it is also responsible for a majority of fatalities over any other African snake. It is found in the African savanna and grassland. The puff adder has a wide distribution and contains a potent venom which is produced in massive quantities due to its long fangs. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.